So now I'm going to do presentation of my checklist of yearly year third 2025 to 2026. So this is only I have data of only of model third, but third three model, but somewhere like in Go notebook I don't have data because I can't find my Go notebook Go notebook. So this is the part one of notebook. So these are the notebooks. So in test, I filled only 13 pages. In mentorship extra class, I filled 44 pages. And English reading, speaking, listening, 0 pages. Math minor went 22 pages. Khan Academy 5 pages. Solve question exercises 124 pages. This is only not a full data of 3 models of solving numericals. And then Duolingo 1 pages. Typing, computer science 1 page. Learning, thought and reflection 5 pages. Go notebook 325. Grammar 23 pages. Word meaning 17 pages. Sentence formation word meaning 0 page. Planning yearly model weekly daily 51 page. Search 13 pages. Question dot clarification 6 pages. History A to Z is near to far. Skill Nitka 0 pages. Building cultures, value and rules 28 pages. And life practical skill framework and sports in management team managers 0 pages. Model review reflection evaluation and assessment 14 pages. Project 5 page. Dream notebook 0 pages. Mind and money game 0 pages. Field exposure trip 10 pages. 100 crore value creation 4 pages. And these are notebook not yet I did not make it. Then particular reasons why I did activity but I same reason I did activity but I did not write in the notebook. And a particular reason in math in starting I don't want to do math solve, but for some days I'm doing math, and for my laziness and also for to do. And some in some notebooks like in in math solve questions, and in minor brain, and in this one Go notebook I don't have like this. Some notebooks I do not have data. And part B daily tracking. So daily tracking I have to do daily routine activity and 24-hour timetable, and all these are things I have to do 364 days. But daily routine activity I did 141, and 24-hour timetable I did 140 because I did as per my tracking of 3 model. And computer registers 364 I did 84, and sentence registers I had to do 364 and I did 300. And Excel sheet and daily summary report I did not send even one day. And daily in charge report I did not add because we don't have data in which particular model or week it has been started. And tracking 7 habits 364 days I have to do, and 10 rituals and 7 habits of highly effective 7 symbols of the non-Kusuris variety I have to do. Track 364 but I did not do. Rules recording 90 days, rules guide 70 days, 10 word meaning in I did 3,640 word meaning here it has to be, but I did only 385, sorry 387. And in Seva 364 I did 64 days. 64 days I have data. And state of mind flow state 0 days here. In which model it has started, that is also I don't know, so I did not write that. Seven register I have no data about that. I did not did only I think I did it 4 or 5 times. Part C weekly tracking. So this all I have to do 52 times, but only on a weekly charge report I have to send on Sunday 16 times if I'm counting from model first to model fourth. But it also started late of weekly in charge. We become so weekly tracking summary report on Saturday 0, and revision dark clarification on Saturday 6 times, and goal notebook submission on Sunday 47 times, and in 52 I did 47 times, and review reflection on Sunday also 47 times, and review next week subject planning on Sunday 47 times, and subject self-paced self-evaluation on Monday 52 times, but I did only three times. External evaluation it has not begun. And now it is monthly tracking. So all I have to do 12 times. But fourth week RRA. So only I think as per I remember only maybe only in the starting we used only in the starting time, starting the year we used to do that. So one time and self self plan subject wise plan one times review reflection strength area flow four times state of flow state one time and the subject self evaluation zero times and now model tracking. So all I have to do four and RRA 12 weeks. So yeah, I did four times and subject wise planning I did four times. Review reflection area flow I did one times and flow state four times. Subject self test evaluation zero times or maybe I think no I think one time. And external evaluation complete surface project discussion on flow state and the state of mind four times. So this is the aim. So reason for not to do because for not remember and laziness for
We have to write reasoning.
yeah and for laziness and for not remember and for procrastination also. Now I'm going to do presentation of review of year review review of year third model year third year 2025 to 2026. So these are the flow of the presentation which I'm going to talk about. Yearly data, what went well, what did not go well, highlights of this week, daily tracking, weekly tracking, monthly tracking, and module tracking. So yearly data. So my time center average is 7 or 9 minutes. Till starting to now. Time center average is 7 or 9 minutes. Time on diluting average is 5 or 51 minutes. Time on English average is 34 minutes. 7 subject average is 50 minutes. And time math average is 18 minutes. 18 minutes. How it can possible? No, maybe there is mistake. It cannot be. Sorry. This one will be 50 minutes. Math average and 7 center average is 18 minutes. Yeah. There is scientific process right here. Now what went well? So my shyness and fear gone. I'm telling what went well from starting to now. So my shyness and fear gone, and now I can talk in English. Not much, but a little. Like now I'm speaking English, and I did so many presentations. It has helped me to practice of talking, and my writing speed is increased better than before. Yeah, and I now I'm trying to speak more time in English with my colleagues and with yeah with my colleagues and in presentation. And now I'm trying to do creative writing, and now any work without fear I try to do means like in starting I don't used to do like any new work I don't used to do because of fear, but now I just said okay let's try let's take first step and then I try to do focus study also. And this year I did math more than 3 hours and one time more than 4 hours. And this year in one model course, in 1 week I achieved my promise 5 days. And this model in 1 week my seva average was more than 1 hour. And I in this model I completed two books in this year. And what did not go well and why? So my average is not good because of I have spent so much time and because of health issue and sometimes laziness and housework. And I did not send recording because of procrastination and forget. And I did not did Siva mode because of procrastination. And I did not did everyday word meaning because I forgot to do. So only two main reason forget and laziness and third is procrastination. And then sometimes laziness is real sometimes, but procrastination which can be. And highlights of this in this not big model in this year. So I went first time Madanpur Thana and talked with SO, and I went to first time to blog and talk with video, and I solved question and answer in science of science book in my own words, and I cut a tree first time in this year, and I made mixture of cement, stone, and sand first time in this year, and I saw first time Gumti River, and I went first time Lucknow and saw RTI Bhavan. And now I'm trying to apply G2.47 also. And I talked with manager and with someone in RTI Bhavan. Like there is someone, one person is. I asked him about education. So in RTI Bhavan without any fear. And now I'm trying, and I did role of weekly in charge in this model and daily also, and MIC also. And I went first time Madanpur in Union Bank and talked with manager and daily tracking. So this is also the same which I said in the last. Okay, I can see. Like daily routine activity 141 days, 24-hour time travel under 40 days, computer register 84 days, enter entry exit register 300 days, exercise 0, daily summary report 0, 7 symbol, 10 rituals, 0 rules, recording 90 days, rules write 70 days, 10 word meaning 387 days, 387 word meaning I did in 3,640 word meaning. And 7, I did 64 days, I have done only 64 days, and state of mind flow state 0 days. And weekly tracking is also same. Weekly summary report on Saturday 0, revision draft clarification on Saturday 6 times, goal notebook submission on Sunday 47 days, 47 times, in 52 times I did 47 times, and review fraction on Sunday 47 times, review next week planning subject on Sunday 47 times, set fish on evaluation on Monday 3 times, monthly tracking. So this is also the same 4 week. After 4 week, review reflection assessment 1 times, subject wise planning 1 times, directional review strength area flow 4 times, flow state 1 times, and self-test and external evaluation is 0. And model tracking is also same. 12 week RRA, review reflection and assessment 4 times, subject wise in 4 times I have to do, and I did 4 times, subject wise planning I did 4 times, and I have to do 4 times and I did 4 times, but in the directional review and the self evaluation test I did only 1 time. And flow state 4 times, external evaluation complete successful checklist 4 times. So this is in uh, the year review. So and now I'm going to do presentation of directed reflection. So this is so first is Hilomat Bolomat Social. So here is 6 examples. When I do rule mode, I do not escape and I do not move and not talk with anyone. I just try to do focus on my if I when I am doing writing. And when I do my English reading, there I also use this, and one day I was doing math solve. There I thought about the sentence. And I tried to do focus. And when I was doing classes of compound interest because that was difficult for me, so there I also use this sentence. I just try to focus. And every day when I'm doing my planning, there I apply this statement in the morning time. And when I'm watching the class of science chapter 10, there I use this statement because that was in starting to in it was easy, but of chapter 10 it was not. It was difficult. It was not very difficult. I can say a little. Just I have to do focus. So I did focus, and then I understood. And clarity, conviction, and confidence. This is second statement. So first there is 3 examples, not only three. Four, 7 examples. No, 3 examples only. Like I am studying in the center, and I have clarity for study here, and I have strong belief if I will do hard work on my study in on my study here, and then I will be success here, and I have confidence I will be success here. And the second is one day I thought I will complete one chapter of math, and in one day, and I have clarity I can complete. I have I Yeah, I have clarity I can complete that, and I have confusion, and then I just started to do, and I completed that chapter in my day. And I have clarity. And the third example is clarity. I have clarity if I am doing any chapter of math or science. I have mindset. I have to understand clearly so I can give presentation with confidence. And now the statement is unique. So there is, for example, so I am unique. My fingerprint is unique. This is all example I am giving from starting to end. So I am unique. My fingerprint is unique. So no one has the same fingerprint. So everyone is unique. And second, I do not compare when I was doing classes. Example number third, I do not compare when I was giving answer of my question. And example number four, when I was doing review, there I use this for result. What have you asked? यही समय है सही समय here is the statement so if you want to talk you can go outside यही समय सही समय है अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं this is only time you can study and focus on your career everything have a time to do for study and I can do study